Holly, it's so nice to see you. You don't get to see my face that often. I'm not usually in front of the camera, but today I wanted to share some exciting news. I am taking part in the NYX Card Makers Success Summit. It's starting the 17th of February till the 20th of February, and it's a 4-day free online crafting retreat. Now, if you are anywhere in the world, you can attend because it's online, it's virtual. There'll be many people there attending. There's even a Facebook group to hang out in, and it's fabulous. If you're really interested in attending, you can grab your free ticket, and I'll just include a link in the description box below. In addition, if you want to upgrade your ticket, you can get a VIP All Access Pass, which means you get unlimited access to all of the classes, and there's over 25 classes to access. If you just stick with a 3 ticket, that's great, that's fabulous, and by all means do that. You'll have 24-hour access to each class. Included in the All Access Pass is a whole host of goodies. There's loads of extra items to download, free discount codes, free resources as well. So you're not only getting the unlimited access to the classes, also getting so much more with it. If you're interested in upgrading the ticket, I'll include a link in the description box below. But in addition, when you go to the free ticket, it will also give you the option to upgrade there if you're interested. I also just wanted to come in and say a thank you to all of you viewers. Thank you for all your support over the year or so. It's been fantastic and I've really enjoyed interacting with you. I do work a full-time job at a hospital, and as much as I want to be on here and social media as much as I can, unfortunately it does take me away from that. But I love coming on here and inspiring you all. So I do apologise if I don't get a chance to respond to your comment. Please know that I see it and I appreciate it. If there are any topics that you'd love me to cover this year, just leave a comment in the description box below. I can take a look at your suggestions and see if I can incorporate them into my next video. Until next time, and hopefully at the summit, happy crafting!